Welcome to Faith Matters. Today, I have a small question about the nature, how it is. Have you ever met a container at your house, written toast, but inside it you find there is either sugar or there is some pegs inside? That is how the Christianity today is. There is a time that Jesus went around. He was hungry, and he met a fig tree which looked so green. He had an expectation of having something to eat from that fig tree. But the moment that he went there, he didn't find anything that can help him to eat. Yes, one thing, he was hungry. He figured out, okay, now I can go there and I can get some things I can eat, and then I can satisfy my hunger. That is how it is today. We have readers in church, in our communities. We expect much from them. But in reality, even if they look green, they look perfect, they look that they are very worthy of being readers, but we find there is nothing that they can offer. Today I want to talk to readers. Any reader in the society, in schools, in churches. This is a question that I want to ask you. Do you have something that the community needs? Do you have the worthiness? Is it still there? Wewe kuna kitu iko ndani yako unaweza patia hawa watu wenye wako na njaa. Kwa sababu watu wanakuangalia na wanaona ya kwamba suluhisho langu liko kwa huu kiongozi. Suluhisho langu liko kwa mchungaji wangu. Suluhisho langu liko kwa my MP. But in reality, you don't have nothing. You have nothing to offer to them. You look green like those fig trees, but you don't have anything to offer. My friend, let me tell you, Jesus is there. He will curse you definitely. He will definitely curse you because you don't have what it's required. Ukikosa mazao yako ya kupatia hao watu ambao wanakuangalia juu, hakuna kitu utapata. Utazushwa chini, utakuwa bure, and you will be just like that fig tree. Jesus Christ aliangalia huyo mtu, akamwambia, kutoka siku ya leo hakuna mtu atakula kutoka kwa hii mti. And it was that. And that's why you see, watu wengi, they are already cast because they don't have anything to offer. They are cast. Even if somebody is a pastor, even if somebody is an MP, even if somebody is a county guy, he doesn't have anything to offer because he's already is cast. So, wacha tujikakamue. Tukiona ya kwamba sisi tumeteuliwa ili tukuongoza, wacha tuwe na kitu. It is not about material things that we can offer, but have word to give those people who are in need. Wapatie chenye wanahitaji, kwa sababu Mungu amekupatia wewe jukumu. Na ili ufeed these people. Feed them with the word. Feed them with the material things if God has given you. Because huwezi kuwa ati wewe umeteuliwa na hakuna kitu Mungu amekupatia. Mungu anasend mtu kwako akijua ya kwamba kuna kitu ambayo utampatia. God cannot send somebody to an empty person. No. But there is something that is in you. But sisi ndio tunakataa kuwapatia. So, sisi kama viongozi, wacha tuwe watu ambao, yes, vile tunakaa juu. If we look green like those fig trees, yes, wacha wale watu watatukaribia, wakute hiyo kitu ndio iko ndani yetu. Tuzikae kama hiyo mkebe ya bluebird. Lakini ukiangalia ndani ya bluebird, ya hiyo mkebe ya bluebird, utakuta ni mchanga tu iko ndani, ama ukute ni peg, ama ukute ni kitu ingine. Wacha ile kitu, the rainbow that we had, tuwe ati hiyo kitu ndio iko ndani yetu. Mungu awabariki tukichange na tutachange our nation. God bless you.